Army to recruit 18,000 soldiers next year. The Nigerian Army has revealed that it will recruit 18,000 soldiers next year as part of moves to tackle insecurity challenges across the country. It said only 5,000 will be admitted at a time because of the capacity constraint and that the first batch would commence training in January 2021. Commandant of the Nigerian Army Depot, Zaria stated this when the Senate Committee on Army, led by Mohammed Ali Ndume, visited the depot. Represented by Colonel Ismail Oloyede, the commandant promised to adhere to the principles of federal character during the exercise. The Army wants to recruit 18,000 soldiers next year. The facilities here can only take about 5,000 per term. We are starting training next January, that is 2021. We adhere to the principle of federal character as raised by members of the committee. The issue raised by the Senate about balancing are duly noted. Every part of the country will be represented. Ndume admitted that the challenges facing the armed forces, including the army, would enormous and that the security agencies were overstretched. He said, though the country was faced with financial challenges, the Senate would, however, make every attempt to give attention to issues affecting the country and the army. He urged the army to engage members of the National Assembly during the recruitment in order to ensure that every part of the country was carried along. The challenges are enormous and daunting. We have herdsmen attacks and other insecurity issues in every part of the country. We are in a budget period. Even though we are faced with financial challenges, we will make every attempt and give attention to the issues. It is important to always work with the representatives of the people to create balancing. There should be fair representation in recruitment into the army. It is important to ensure fairness and justice. We must have at least one or more from every local government into the army during any recruitment. Thank you for listening to this news. Of course, it is necessary anyway to recruit soldiers. But then, is it all about recruiting soldiers? Don't you think that there is need for available facilities that will help to train and equip these soldiers for the future ahead? If you recruit 18,000 soldiers, the facilities that will train these soldiers, are they available? Are they? That is what the the military are complaining of, that they can only accommodate, the facility available can only accommodate 5,000 soldiers. 5,000 soldiers. So if you are increasing it to 18,000, it means that the federal government have to intervene in that case. And you know the situation that we are at present. You know the situation that we are at present. We are financially weak and financially in need. So you saying that you want to recruit 18,000 Soldier, it means that you are now tasking the federal government, of which there is need for that. It's a good idea, a good one. At least it will help to increase the number of security forces and enable the country to have enormous and enough hands to pursue the fight for this insecurity issue. You understand? So it will really help. It will really help. But then, while we are trying to do that, we on our own side, we really need to work on ourselves as well. We need to work on ourselves. It's not all about saying that this is what we want to do. It's all about doing things based on what is available on ground. Based on what's available on ground. If you make provision of something and what will take care of that thing is not available, how then do you meet up? How do you meet up? It becomes an issue. So, for it not to be an issue in the future, that is why we need to be wise. That's why we need to be conscious and vigilant. That's why there is need um, for proper observation before taking any step. You understand? So it will really augur well if we watch properly before making the move for this recruitment. Don't get me wrong, it's a good exercise, I said, but the facility to get them equipped and fit during training is what should be made available and also think about. You understand? Not just saying this is what will be done. All right? Okay? No one is disputing that fact. It is possible. It can be possible, but what will make it possible should be available. You get it, my viewers? So, I haven't said all of these things. I crave the indulgence of my fellow listeners to come in and air their own view. Okay? So please deem it fit to leave your own comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.